At Rainy Day Irrigation and Greenhouses, we specialize in a wide range of agricultural solutions. Today, we walk you through two of our key services. We specialize in reservoir construction. From simple poles, we build strong, standard reservoir structures. Quality materials, professional setup, and results that leave you satisfied. We also offer greenhouse services with a wide range of structures to suit your needs. Wooden greenhouses. 300 square meters, $3,000. 500 square meters, $4,800. Steel greenhouse structures. 8 meters times 20 meters, $2,720. 8 meters times 30 meters, $4,080. Visit us at number 95, Mutter Road, Sasa. Call us on 0772-687-454 or 0719-587-454. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Rainy Day Irrigation and Greenhouses.